Class 7 English medium. We are talking about temperature. Today, let us have a discussion about the relationship of temperature and heat. In winter, many of us use a mixture of hot and cold water for taking bath, and we also feel cold and put on different woolen dresses, etc. So, we have an idea about what happens in cold. Now, I am drawing two pictures. These two pictures are given in your book also. This is the picture of a bucket mane balti, and this is the picture of a tub, gamla. Some water is kept here, and the temperature of the water in the bucket is 15 degrees Celsius, and there is also some water in this tub, and here the temperature is suppose 97 degree Celsius. It may be 20 degree, it may be 90 degree, that does not matter. Which matters is the understanding of the thing. When you mix this water with this and this water with this, এই দুটোকে তুমি মিশিয়ে নিলে, নিয়ে তারপরে কি হলো, যে মিক্সড ওয়াটারটা সেটা আমাদের ওই স্নানের জলের মতন, লাইক দ্যাট ওয়াটার উইথ হুইচ উই টেক আওয়ার বাথ in the winter period. The temperature of the mixed water will come down. So, it will be less than the temperature of this tub. This is a tub and this is the bucket. The temperature of the water that remain in the bucket will rise. It will be warmer, it will be colder as a result of mixing, you know. Now, the question is, why such things occur? It may be assumed that the substance that become warmer must have gained something additional. This water got warmer. Suppose the temperature of the mixed water became 50 degrees Celsius. Suppose that means its temperature has been increased to this 50 degrees Celsius to minus 15 degrees Celsius means 35 degree increase has taken place, whereas its temperature has decreased from 97 degree to 50 degree Celsius. That means 27 degree Celsius. So, there is an increase of 35 degree Celsius and a decrease of 27 degree Celsius in the two cases. That means something has happened, which is why this result is found. What is that? What thing has been exchanged? This water must have lost something for which it lost its temperature. The temperature of this water came down to 50 degrees Celsius, and this water must have gained something for which its temperature has increased to 50 degrees Celsius. something that has been gained or lost by the waters of the two pots is called heat. This is heat. So, when you apply heat to a substance, its temperature increases. So, heat is the cause and temperature is the result. When you apply heat, it may result in the increase in temperature. And when two substances of different temperatures come in contact with each other, they exchange heat. Therefore, when there is no increase or decrease in temperature, that is, the temperature remains constant, the object does not gain or lose anything. It may appear that the question of heat transfer does not arise in this case. However, in the above experiment, water did not undergo any change of state. It was water, it is also water. It is in the liquid state, the water remains in the liquid state. Here also water remains in the liquid state. There is no change of state, though the temperature changed. Later we shall see, when a substance undergoes a change of state, there is a change from solid state to liquid state, or a change from the liquid state to the vapor state, its temperature remains unchanged even when the substance absorbs or gives off heat. Now, let us see measurement of heat absorbed or given off by a body. Two identical containers. Here is a container, here is also a container, and a thermometer is dipped into it. This is the stand that holds this thermometer, and you with the help of the fire of a Bunsen burner, you heat the water. Equal amount of water is taken in this pot and in this pot, equal amount. First, it remained in the room temperature. Room temperature 25 degrees Celsius is called room temperature. It was in 25 degrees Celsius, it was also in 25 degrees Celsius. Then you applied heat and the temperature rose, suppose, to 50 degrees Celsius. And here also in the second one, you heated this water up to 75 degree Celsius. 75 degree Celsius. That means you have applied heat for a longer period of time. The rising temperature of water in the first container is, it was in 25 degrees Celsius, it rose to 50 degrees Celsius, means 25 degrees Celsius, and here it was in 25 degrees Celsius, it rose to 75 degrees Celsius, means there is an increase of 50 degrees Celsius. So, water in which container has to be given more heat to obtain the temperatures stated above? You kept same amount of water, you applied heat here also you applied heat, then what? But here for a longer time, so that the temperature rises to 75 degrees Celsius. That means more heat was given. Now, the two containers with water at 50 degree and 75 degree are kept at room temperature. Then stop giving heat from these Bunsen burners, and the temperature will come down to the room temperature. It will come down to 25 degrees Celsius. That means it will again lose heat from 50 degree. It rose to 50 degrees Celsius. Then its temperature, after keeping it in your room, its temperature fell to 25 degrees Celsius, means it lost 25 degrees Celsius, and it also the same way it will also lose 50 degrees Celsius. So, water of which container will lose more heat? Tell me, try to think about it. It was heated up to 75 degrees Celsius, and then heating was stopped, and the two pots were kept on the floor of your house without heating. So, after some time the temperature will come down to the level of the room temperature. It will be 25 degree, it will be 25 degree. It was 75 degree Celsius and came down to 25 degrees Celsius, means it lost more temperature. So, it also lost more heat. The heat gained or lost by a body of a given mass is given because the amount of this water and this water is same. So, the loss of the heat gained or lost by a body of a given mass depends upon the extent to which the temperature of the body is increased or decreased. The amount of heat required to increase the temperature of a body from 20 degree to 40 degree is twice that required to increase its temperature from 10 degree to 20 degrees Celsius. Suppose you heated a bowl of water and it was initially at 20 degree Celsius, then it was heated up to 40 degrees Celsius, and another bowl was taken with water, and the temperature was there at 10 degrees Celsius and it rose up to 20 degrees Celsius. So, there is a increase of 10 degree and there is a increase of 20 degree. Now, you shall see in this case water absorbs more heat for increasing the temperature from a certain level to another level. Here you see a glass, and there is a glass of water inside. The temperature of the water is 25 degrees Celsius. You pour the water into this bowl, and obviously this temperature will be 25 degrees Celsius. Then you heat it with a Bunsen burner. Apply heat with lower part of the bowl with a Bunsen burner, and the temperature of this water will increase, suppose to 50 degrees Celsius. 50 degrees Celsius. Then you stop the Bunsen burner. In the next case, you pour out the water and then keep it hanging for some time. Then you take 20 glasses of water at room temperature. At first, you put 1 glass and you take it up to a level of 50 degrees Celsius, from 25 degrees Celsius room temperature to 50 degrees Celsius. Next, in the next experiment, you take 20 glasses of water at room temperature, that is at 25 degrees Celsius, and take a larger bowl, suppose, and you pour this water, 20 glasses of water in this bowl, and then heat it in the air of the Bunsen burner, and the temperature will, after some time, the temperature will rise to 50 degrees Celsius. Then you stop heating, and now you see that 1 glass of water, it was heated up to 50 degrees Celsius